Hey family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Divya and you're watching my recipes. In today's video, we are going to make a custard vermicelli recipe. Without wasting any time, let's move towards the video. So for this recipe we need vermicelli, almond, ghee, custard powder, sugar, milk, water, etc. Now put the pan on gas and add a 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once a ghee starts heating, then we add almond crush in it and roast it on high flame. Now add our vermicelli on it and roast it until a brown color. As you can see guys, our vermicelli get brown. Now we add some sugar according to taste and mix it well. Now add half glass of water on it. And boil them 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm gonna adding a 2 tablespoons of sugar on it because we prefer to eat more sugary. If you guys are enjoying my recipes, then please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and like the video. I feel more appreciate that. After adding water, leave it for 5 to 6 minutes. Boil the milk and add a 2 tablespoons of custard powder. In custard powder, add a little bit amount of water and make a slurry like this. Once milk boiled, then we add our slurry on it. And mix it well. Mix it well and add our custard milk on it. As you can see, Boil it few minutes on high flame. As you can see, our custard vermicelli is ready.